3 ways to whistle. How to whistle easily. How to whistle. Do you know for like this many suggestions to be about how to whistle, like you've got to look it up. Yeah, well, it's not paying off very well, is it? I'm getting there. Someone say fresh merch. Yes, they did. Woo! Let's go. Do you want it signed as well? I've been practicing my signature though. I mean,
like, you know how some boys like just like put their head through and then like somehow like get their arms through? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me.
yeah, I know.
But like chicks are more like an arm through and then like a...
I didn't know there was like a gender specific way of putting it.
No, it's true.
Boom. Yeah, nice. I love the fact that we've always joked about having faces on each other's shirts, and now my face is on your shirt. Okay, where is my Santa sack of goodies? Let's go and drop these bad boys off. I'm so keen. Oh, hold that one for me if you want.
You're recording the handover.
Oh, hands down.
Phoebe Films has got some official merch here for Flow Hunter. Pretty excited.
The black actually looks the best.
Oh baby.
Oh baby, triple. So you got the F on the front, and then
Fever Crew
on the black, yeah.
Heck yeah.
And that is all yours. You'll have to try it on for me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ready to watch this magic?
Shum! And then you can do a spin as well, so you can see it on your back. And that's it. Skull design number 1. Yeah, that actually looks. I'm really happy with that. And there we are. First happy customer.
Sick.
Listen carefully, you can hear it bubbling. Oh my god. It sounds like you're like boiling like a kettle or something over here.
Yeah, it's overheating.
Oh shit. It's custom though.
Hello.
Wait, there's nothing on that shelf there. Holy mackerel.
Can't
The
see them.
the invisible all terrains, but if I touch it...
Oh, there's something there. Oh,
Oh wow.
yeah, there it
Wait,
is.
no, I think I want this one right here with the wooden
Yeah,
top on
like
it.
that's really handy. Hey?
Ooh, yeah. What is it?
496 from the bottom. That's it. That's my baby. That is the one.
That's
I
the
want.
one you want?
Yeah, that's what. That's
I reckon buy it for the vlog.
That's all. Yeah. Okay, fine. Just
Come on,
for
Tommy.
fans.
Come on.
This is the Ezeco one, but then again, we have the old craft.
What's that one? 130.
Yeah, that's cheap.
Yeah, $200. That will be the next purchase, so we can build in the next upcoming videos a motocross ramp.
Hey man.
Yeah, I reckon that's the one we go with.
Yeah.
Oh, what's
Well, there you go. That's keyed up for an extra
I reckon we go
$2.
the Ryobi. That'll get the job done.
I like.
This is unboxing Sundays with Tomo. He's bought himself a new impact drill from Bunnings. We also got a snag, which is kind of exciting because it went away for a bit of time. It's like a kid on Christmas.
Oh, stop it! Oh, impact driver for days.
Can you withhold your excitement, please, sir?
Oh mate, I'm
You don't
trying,
look
mate.
excited
I'm
at all.
trying.
Oh, you've even got the gig weld hat
Oh,
on.
look at that driver. Yeah, got the gig welder on. Yeah, oh, got a couple
What
of
are you?
little bits.
Oh, hell yeah!
Look out.
Wait, what's your plans with this new bit of kit?
How good? I don't like. That's a good question, mate. Whatever comes my way.
Everything. The world is
Yeah,
your
literally
the
everything.
world is your oyster, isn't it?
Literally everything.
Look at that.
Oh.
Lime green.
Oh, look at that.
Mate, there's enough lime green in the shed as it is.
Oh, boom.
Now we just got
boom.
another bit.
How good is that?
Hey, man.
Impact driver, we are away. Oh.
The boys are here. Jono's got his WR450. I don't know what Joe is doing. Oh, they're gonna go get some fuel. Actually, I'll probably just get some fuel too. Mate, what's going on? Damn, they don't have 98 and that's all that goes in this car. No, only 98 goes in my vehicle. I'm not putting that E10. No way. E10. Yeah. Had to drive to the whole next town to get fuel. What's the price? Oh, $1.36. That's actually not too bad. Met a couple awesome dudes. What are your names?
Deegan.
Deegan?
Same.
Very nice to meet you, boys. Got fresh stickers, fresh scooters.
Oh,
Meet
here's
you, boys.
the
Red Bulls, you guys are ready to go.
This is so good, Ross. Like now that we know you can literally just push that gate open any time.
Oh, hands down. Oh yeah, that actually worked out perfectly. That worked actually literally perfectly.
Thank you. That's so cool that we said like those kids said, oh, you put your forward.
Oh yeah, that's video on the bottom. Every time I come out here, there's more and more cars. Say cheese. Really?
Go under a shot. Go under a tree.
Nah, it'll make good footage. Just whack.
You're welcome for my epic tour.
Oh, he's got a gap. He's got a gap. I'll tell you what, Baptist is absolutely event of the year. Event of the year.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, we ain't trying to go this down for you.
Okay, want to hear from like basketball expert? They're coming into the chase. They hit the brakes hard after the turn. No.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta upprice to y'all.
We're happy with that today. Let's go.
Show me some ice to y'all.
Let's
Hey, all the hate. I won't get involved today.
And seeing as his girlfriend drew the card, he's flying the Holden flag. I feel like his girlfriend may deserve. Well done to him, and he got first. Well done, buddy. Well done, mate. Good job, Cobber.
With the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost 'em. I can work on winnings when I know you're losing, so I with the winnings and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pick and shooting the bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, bucket tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the back. Brody plot, get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got laugh on my back. You ain't that, then it's straps.
He's just got to see what wedges his lads. It's a pitch wedge. Because it's a ping pong. That's better, that's better.
Amen.